So we're going to replace the ignition switch on my BMW X3. The ignition switch looks like this. Mine has like some sort of an issue where sometimes it will not start, and most of the time it will start actually, but there are times that there's some sort of like a gap where it won't start at all, and then you have to do it again. The second try will always work. So I'm suspecting that the at the 186,000, I think it should be probably time to replace the ignition switch. This one is around like 124,000. So the first thing to do is basically loosen it. I mean, there's a lever here, loosen it. And then there's a screw on top of that. And there's another one over here too. Yep. This one you have to push it, and then it will loosen. So it's like those clips where you push it down. Yep, push it down, it will like loosen up. You have to pick it out. Yep. So see, it's like a long rod. And this one you just use a screwdriver. Probably pry this down now. I don't think there's okay. This took a while to loosen this up. So yep, once it's broken, you could slowly pry them out. Actually, this one will not pry out because I think there's another one over here. I need to take out this lower what they call this, the knee bolsters. So that's out. And I think we need to take out this one over here. I don't think you don't need to like fully take them out because the switch is accessible already. So there are like two small screws down here. Yeah, this one and this one. You need a small precision screwdriver to take them out. Okay, so the lower cover actually fell down, so I have more space now. Yep. So you could actually pull this. You could pull this lever, or this lever here. Once you pull that out, I'm actually trying to pull the steering wheel out. Yeah, this whole thing will come out. Yep. And your switch now is exposed. So I use a small precision screwdriver to loosen this one. It's gonna be hard though. Same thing the other one. There's two of them. Yep. So I got it out now after loosening these two small red screws here. And probably this is still original, I think. It's just so dirty. So let me see the orientation from my replacement one. See. Okay. Yep, looks the same. Yep, there's a hole. Yeah. I don't know, maybe. Yep, that's how it looks inside there. Let's really no dirt in there, but I'm going to put it back in. So I'm going to put back in. Need to make sure that where the orientation is where the screws are going through securely. This thing is it's an idiot proof way to realign it. And there's only one way. Yep. Make sure that it's flush. Then use my bigger precision screwdriver to tighten it. One. Yep. Okay, everything is tight. Gonna put this back in. Just gonna slide it. This one should just slide back in. Yep, I just slide it back in, and we could test it, see if it starts. Okay, start it. Okay, my tire pressure monitor is on. At least it starts in one shot. Okay. 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 Let's try it again.